perspective. I wanted to study the linguistics of sound. I wanted to understand the physics of sound. And then I want to understand the theoretical aspect of sound. And I also want to understand how to read sheet music, how to write sheet music, how music works. What is a major chord? What is a minor chord? How chords are...
Let's discuss sound, because there's two key areas that occur with manic episode. In fact, with mental disorder and mental disease as a whole, right? Things like apophenia, pareidolia, hallucination, psychosis, schizophrenia.
Knowledge is Atelston. Yeah, if I'm going to write, compose, and arrange music, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel. So
mind is keeping you intact with the visualization, and the art itself that you're creating is keeping you in touch with the visualization. So your focus, so there's an intensity, so your visualization develops a certain level of clarity. With expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, a frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. You need your intensity.